Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. Should be the April box. Let me dig for the cards here. These look fun. Every box comes with these stickers that I'm having trouble getting out. So you can label all your products with these and then put the stickers on top of your essential oils too, so it's easy to sort and to find those. Then you have your recipe cards. So this month's theme is laundry, which is super fun. I just recently made my own laundry detergent, so I'm excited to see what's in here. We have a stain remover, which is Castile soap, tea tree essential oil, hydrogen peroxide. Pretty easy. And on the back of this card is a note from Katie, who's the recipe formulator. There's always a note from her each month. Next we have a fresh reusable dryer sheet. And that looks like it just has some vinegar and some essential oils. On the back of that one is their blog and some other information about their customer service. Then we have a clean linen spray. On the back of this one is a sneak peek at next month's box. Tells you the essential oils you're getting. Fresh Start roll-on. And then on the back of that talks about their 13%. So every box they donate 13% of the profit to a human trafficking charity. So this month it goes to the Daughter Project. Next is the Clean and Crisp Diffuser blend. This is my favorite card in the box. Tells you all your essential oils, the uses for them, the safety for them. Very helpful. And the last one is Soap Nut Liquid Laundry Soap. So I've heard of that before. I don't think I've ever tried it though. And that one has their little promotion. I also have in my description box below a gift card if you're signing up for the first time. So check out that below if you're interested. Let's take a look here. These are cotton fabric squares, and that's for the dryer sheets. And then these are the soap nuts. From what I recall, I think you can reuse these several times, and it's just like a natural way it cleans your laundry. It's pretty cool. Can't say I've tried it though. I know I received it, but I think I gave it to a friend before. It wasn't in one of these boxes, a different subscription, because I was unsure about it. But yeah, I'll try that. That's interesting. Natural soap containing berry. Create a liquid laundry detergent following the recipe. Could also remove this tag and just place the bag directly in there. Cycle with hot water. They're generally considered safe to use in high efficiency and traditional laundry machines. Very cool. Also have a couple spray bottles for some of the recipes. And then the essential oils. This one's called Clean and Fresh, and that has fir needle, neroli, lemon, and grapefruit essential oils. Then we have tea tree, one of my favorites. There's so many uses for that. Tangerine essential oil. And the last one is thyme, red thyme to be exact. And anything additional you need on the recipes, carrier oils, things like that, that comes twice a year, so every 6 months in your bonus box. So yeah, if you guys are interested in signing up for Simply Earth, I will put all their information below, and I also have a playlist in case you want to see past boxes. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.